Good morning, everybody. In today's video, we are going to cover a potential rain to snow scenario starting Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. But first, we're going to take a look at here is the latest NAM model, and we're going to deal with rain over the course of today and even parts of tomorrow as a frontal system is moving through the region. And out ahead of this front, temperatures will rise, and all the precipitation we'll be dealing with over the next 24 hours will come in the form of rain. Here we're looking at tonight at 7 p.m. Much of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, upper mid-Atlantic are dealing with some rain showers. And taking this further out here into early parts of Tuesday morning, we will see some clearing across much of the region. But then the precipitation will begin to increase from the southwest during the day, Tuesday morning, I should say. And this will be around the time that we'll start to see the rain change to snow as temperatures begin to crash from the northwest to the southeast. Many areas Tuesday we'll see temperatures in the 40s, but will quickly drop into the 30s and even upper 20s in some areas by Tuesday night and early parts of Wednesday morning. So here we're looking at 4 o'clock Tuesday afternoon, and you can see snow is beginning to break out across parts of Pennsylvania, upstate New York, and out in West Virginia here, as areas farther southeast still are dealing with some rain showers. But taking it out into Tuesday, this is now Tuesday 10 p.m. This is the main part of our system that we're tracking that could potentially produce accumulating snowfall for a good swath of the region. Now this is Tuesday again, 10 p.m. Now we're going to take it out here to Wednesday, 1 a.m. So this will occur when many of us are sleeping. And according to the NAM model, a pretty good amount of moderate to heavy snow is falling across western Maryland, parts of southern Pennsylvania, much of West Virginia here. And then lighter snows are breaking out into central and eastern Pennsylvania by 1 a.m. And again, areas across I-95 and southeast at this time are still too warm enough to support snowfall. But that will change as this front continues to move southeast. Temperatures will continue to crash. And taking us out here to Wednesday, 4 a.m. Again, this NAM model here is very aggressive. In general, other models do agree with this particular scenario, except the NAM model, I would say, is the most aggressive in terms of heavy snow. Many models show more of a light to moderate, but still, same general areas seeing accumulating snowfall. Now, taking a look here to 7 a.m. Wednesday morning, see these darker blues around northern New Jersey, or I'm sorry, northern Delaware and southern New Jersey? Those areas, if that does occur right around the rain-snow line, that's where your thermal gradient sets up. And wherever that sets up, snowfall rates will be on the heavy side, regardless of it's in New Jersey or maybe up towards I-78 in Pennsylvania. Wherever that sets up, there's going to be some pretty heavy snow rates Wednesday morning, which could result into school delays and work delays and just your usual delays when it comes to winter weather here. But now we're going to take this out here to, this is going to be 10 a.m. Wednesday morning. So this snow actually moves pretty quickly. By 10 a.m., much of the region, all of the mid-Atlantic here is pretty much clear of winter weather. Pennsylvania, many areas except for our far eastern Pennsylvania are in the clear. And then the snow has developed into much of southern New England here by Wednesday morning at 10 a.m. I'll take this one more frame here. Again, it really continues to move off out to sea here by, this is now 1 p.m. Wednesday afternoon. Now what I want to show you guys is the temperatures. So while we do anticipate some rain to snow, we're very cautious when it comes to accumulations and how much areas might see. Because we're going to take this out here. We'll take this out all the way to, let's do Tuesday afternoon here. This is right before the onset of the precipitation. And look at many of these areas. Parts of southeast Pennsylvania, much of New Jersey, down towards DC, we're in the upper 50s to even 60 degrees. While even areas further up northwest here, along I-81, I-78 in Pennsylvania, these areas, still getting towards 50 degrees on Tuesday afternoon. So temperatures will have to crash really quickly for the snow to accumulate, and even quicker for areas further south here. But you'll notice, once we get into Tuesday night, this is when much of the rain is beginning to change to snow across the interior here. Look at this gradient. You have 40s and 50s across the southeast, even 60s in southeast Virginia, to around the freezing mark in Pittsburgh, many areas in West Virginia here. Some even 20s showing up in the higher elevations. So as the rain changes to snow, temperatures will crash rather quickly. It's just how quick does it crash while the precipitation is still in the area for these locations. Obviously the quicker the temperatures drop to 32, the more accumulation you can expect. So this is going to be a very nowcast situation. We won't know exactly how much snow we will see until really the hours leading up to the storm, but we can give you guys a general idea of what you can expect, as you'll see in our first snow maps for this particular event here coming up in a couple minutes. And I'll take this out further here to Wednesday. It's going to be Wednesday 1 a.m. Now you can see much of the interior is below freezing here. I-95 area is still above freezing, but again, much of the precipitation according to the NAM model doesn't arrive until early parts of Wednesday morning. And you'll see even here temperatures still are around freezing and even slightly above freezing. So areas southeast of I-95, we remain cautious, especially for accumulating snow. Could be just in the form of some white rain. You'll see snow falling in the air, but nothing really accumulating. Now, I do want to give you guys a look here at the European model. So far, this is the least aggressive solution. Now, this also makes me a little bit more cautious on how much snowfall we really do see, because typically the European model is the most accurate among the model guidance we look at here. So we're going to take this out here to Tuesday night. You'll see the rain changing to snow across West Virginia, parts of Pennsylvania here. And then we'll take this out here to 1 a.m. Wednesday morning. Again, it has the general same concept as the NAM. Whatever snow does fall will fall overnight while many of us are sleeping. But this remains on the lighter side, and accumulations verbatim to this model are no more than an inch or two across pretty much everywhere that you see blue here, while the NAM model shows a little bit more than that. But again, the same general idea here is for overnight snowfall Tuesday night and Wednesday morning for many areas, Wednesday afternoon when you get into southern New England. Alright, so we're going to look at here the official forecast maps for these for this storm. And we're going to look at here we're going to look at the northeast map. Anywhere in the dark blue area, you can see you'll have the best chance of accumulating snow. We're not going to mention any amounts right now, specific amounts I should say. But anywhere in these dark blue areas, this does include New York City, Philadelphia, Baltimore. Harrisburg is right on the line, and Scranton is in the light blue, so Scranton's out of the dark blue. It does include Boston and Newport. But anywhere in these areas in the dark blue here, best chance for accumulating snow right now it seems like 1 to 3 inches with isolated higher amounts possible. Again, we won't get into specific amounts until this evening when we post our article to our when we post our website article to our Facebook page. But right now we're looking at 1 to 3, maybe 4 inches in some areas. Again, some of these areas, especially as you get further down south, haven't even seen snow yet. So it'll be nice to see waking up Wednesday morning for some of these areas. Now, we're going to look at here, I know many of you come from our Facebook page, so we're going to look at a closer view of Pennsylvania here. Again, Philadelphia is right on the border of the best chance areas, southeast suburbs of Philly. You're on the some chance, anywhere in the some chance where you still have a chance of it accumulating snowfall, but it's just not as great. Again, anywhere in the dark blue, we're looking at right now, if we had to put out a number, 1 to 3, but we're not going to get into specific numbers until this evening, once we have more data and model guidance to look at. But again, Stroudsburg, Allentown, Reading, Lancaster, York, those areas are in the best chance. Harrisburg, you're right on the border, but more so in just a some chance for now, as well as Chambersburg. Just make sure you stay tuned for the latest here, and make sure you download our app. We recently had a major upgrade to our app. It is now updated for you to download on the App Store as well as Google Play. Simply search Weather Action in either the Google Play or Apple Store. Alright, like I said, we'll have an update this evening regarding the storm. We'll have it posted on our Facebook page with an article. And on our YouTube channel, we'll have another update tomorrow morning. You guys take care and have a nice day.